Hello, I'm Mark Calloway and welcome to the 7th video of our Revit Tutorials for Beginner series. And in this video we're going to have a look at basic roofs. So in this project we have a very basic structure. It extends from level 0 to level 1, and on level 1 we're going to place a roof on top of this building. We'll have a look at maybe two different types of roofs. So first of all, because the roof's going to be on level 1, that's the floor plan I'm going to jump into. Now I can see the elements below on level 0, and that's thanks to this range setting here. So we can see stuff that are below. I could set that to none and you can't see anything, and if I set it to 0 we can see the elements on the level below, and we need that because we need to know where the external walls are. So to create a roof, I'm going to go to the Architecture tab and to the Roof tool. And the two main types of roofs is roof by footprint and a roof by extrusion. So let's do roof by footprint. For this one, I'm going to, in my draw tools, make sure pick walls is selected, and we can simply click the walls and Revit will automatically draw the boundary line in for this roof. Now I actually want a bit of an overhang. So in the options bar here, I'm going to give a 500mm overhang. And if I click on the 4 external walls, looking at where the dashed preview line is, I can add the boundary lines with a 500mm offset outside of the exterior walls there. Now I can press escape a few times to deselect the pick walls tool. To finish the wall I have to click the green finish tick button, but before I do that, pointing out these little triangles here, they indicate that the roof's going to slope in that direction. Now I'm going to select, if it's going to let me do this, there we go. I'm going to select that line there, and in the properties window I'm going to turn the slope off, so it's now only going to slope to the north and to the south. So if we confirm that and look at it in a 3D view, we can see we've got a very basic roof that slopes only in 2 directions. This wall, I want it to fill this gap. To do that, I'm just going to simply select this wall. I'm going to use this attach top button here. I'm going to click on the roof, and Revit's going to automatically attach the wall to the roof, and it's going to fill that in and automatically change shape as necessary. Do the same on the other side and tidy that up there. Okay, so that's a very basic roof by footprint there. I'm going to delete that. We'll start again and we'll have a look at the roof by extrusion. And for this one I'm going to jump into an elevation view, and it will be a west elevation view we need to be in. Which one's that? Yeah, we'll go into a west elevation view. There we go. Okay, so again, roof tool, roof by extrusion. So let's place this, let's choose, let's pick a plane, pick this wall face here, there we go. Choose the level that the roof's going to be associated with, so again it's going to be on level 1, click the OK button. And what we're doing this time is not drawing the footprint, but we're drawing the shape the roof is going to be, extruded the length of this project. And for this, in my draw tools, I'm just going to select the spline tool. And I'm going to do something a little bit fancy. Let's do a bit of a curve there. Maybe it comes across here, and maybe we've got a nice bit of overhang there. Something like that. Press the return key to finish the spline. And that's the profile of the roof. Just that simple 2D line there. If I click the green finish tick button now to confirm the roof and jump back into the 3D view, Revit's going to generate that roof. Selecting the roof, I can adjust how far this extrudes. Again, just like before, I can select the wall, I can select the attach button, select the roof, and I can attach these walls to this custom shaped roof here. Thank you for watching.